Hey guys, this is Rituja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So year के start में I did this one video as painting my own vision board. So we are already done with 6 months of 2025 and it feels a little bit overwhelming. I'll be honest here. एक मिनट में मेरा sketchbook लेकर आई. तो this was my vision board. तो उसमें से ये चीज़ जो मेरी तो वील इग्नोर अब आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू फिक्स इट, जो है सो है. सो ये जो मेरा विजन बोर्ड का जो फर्स्ट एरिया था रिलेटेड टू यूट्यूब, आई हैव हिट 1.47k subscribers on YouTube, and along with that is going strong the smoothie bowl in this last 6 months. So I mean, slow and steady we are moving ahead. So yeah, I'm really happy. मैं इसको change करने वाली हूँ. अभी I'm going to set a different benchmark for me for next 6 months. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ईयर के 6 महीने बहुत जल्दी चले गए and जो प्रोग्रेस मेरा है इट इज़ नॉट अप टू द मार्क. आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक दिस चैलेंज 75 सॉफ्ट. तो इसमें ना 3 लेवल्स होते हैं, सॉफ्ट, मीडियम एंड हार्ड. तो 75 इज बेसिकली 75 डेज, जैसे 3 महीना चलता है. यू हैव टू बी योर बेस्ट वर्जन फॉर 25 days in a month. I'll just stop here and we'll get started with our today's video. Here I filmed myself. This is my 1 week of progress. To be honest, I feel very good. मैंने last 1 week में try किया, at least मैं 30 minutes निकालूँ. So this is our day 1, 3rd of June, and I wanted to keep it chill for the first day, and I don't want to, burden myself कि हाँ कुछ अच्छा ही create करना है. I just wanted to create something, so that was the point. So मेरे पास brush pens पड़े थे, so I decided to draw these rose flowers, which was much needed. And for this day I even got dressed in my best version, क्योंकि I mean feel तो पूरी आनी चाहिए. And with that we are done with first day.
The next day.
So on our second day I did plan to use this black ball pen. It is just so good. I have used this in the past and it is chef's kiss. बहुत अच्छा है. आप without any doubt you can just go ahead and buy this. So usually मैं pen sketch के लिए यही pen use करती हूँ. अगर मुझे black pen use करना हो, or else blue pen का भी मेरे पास एक suggestion है. I'll link that in the description box for you guys if you are interested. My basic thing is to have a snack, scroll on Pinterest, not on Instagram, and with the flow just draw. Do like to sketch eyes. और मुझे ऐसे केस स्टडीज़ वगैरह करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है कि डिफरेंट एंगल से ड्रॉ करने में ऐसे फील आता है कि वी आर डूइंग सम इंटेलेक्चुअल. एंड टू माई सरप्राइज ऑन दिस डे आई फेल्ट लाइक 30 मिनट का टाइमर इज़ जस्ट टू लेस. सो मुझे इस दिन आइस का केस स्टडी करते करते 2 घंटे कैसे क्या चले गए कुछ पता नहीं चला. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम जस्ट फास्ट फॉरवर्डिंग दिस प्रोसेस. एंड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट time I used to struggle while making eyebrows, and now I am pretty much confident and pretty much fluent with it. मैं पूरा दिन यही सोच रही थी कि कब मेरा सारा काम ख़त्म होगा और मैं कब जा कर के स्केचिंग स्टार्ट करूँगी. या इट वॉज सो फन. just so happy with my second day's progress. I mean, just look at those floaty eyes. I love it.
The next day.
Third day, huh? I was dead tired on this day, and my back, my head, my shoulders, everything was hurting so bad. I mean, my posture clearly explains all of it. But I was like, nahi, I can't give up that soon. Went on Pinterest, and to be honest, मेरा कोई plan नहीं था for this day. So क्योंकि मैंने मेरे day 2 के लिए eyes बनाई थी, so I decided to go with nose. तो मैंने बस Pinterest पे जाके टाइप किया nose drawing, and it showed me of course bunch of references, whatever that I was liking, जो मुझे लगा कि मुझे बनाना चाहिए. I just went with it, and to be honest, इतना अच्छा नहीं बना था. It was, I mean, मैंने बहुत उसको रेंडर करने का ट्राई किया, एंड आई डोंट नो, आई हैव वेरी मिक्स्ड फीलिंग अबाउट इट. यू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट.
The next day.
Give me 101 every single day and I won't have to dive.
So on this day I was watching When Life Gives You Tangerine. It's a Netflix series, and what a series. It is hyped for all the good reason, and it will make you feel all the emotions. I mean, it is just too good, and because of which I wanted to draw everything related to sea, water and ocean, and I started off with drawing a turtle. If you have seen my pottery वाला video, then you would know कि मुझे तब से turtle बनाने का बहुत मन था, क्योंकि तभी इवेंचुअली एवरीवन वोटेड फॉर एलिफेंट, तो तब वो हुआ नहीं. एक्चुअली वो पॉटरी वर्कशॉप के 2 वीडियोस है, एंड इट टर्न्ड आउट सो क्यूट. नॉट कंप्लेनिंग एट ऑल. If you're a little bit curious, then you can go and watch that videos. But after this, of course, and if you have watched this series, then do let me know in the comment section. And also give me some suggestion. What are you watching right now? जो आपका all time favorite series हो वो भी. So finally, I was done with my this page. It looks very colorful. मैंने यहाँ पर whale बनाई है, golden fish बनाई है, shells बनाए हैं. फिर पता नहीं किधर से randomly मुझे star दिख गया था, तो मैंने star भी बनाए हैं. And all together it looks very cute सा page.
The next day.
Who all remembers this पेन? आई मीन नियर अबाउट 1 साल पहले ये इतना ज़्यादा वायरल चल रहा था, नॉट इवन किडिंग, कि एवरी अदर रील और शॉर्ट वॉज अबाउट दिस पेन. एंड मैंने तभी ये मीशो से ख़रीदा था, एंड इट्स बिन 1 ईयर, नॉट इवन किडिंग, और मैं इसको अभी यूज़ करने के लिए ले रही हूँ. एंड बिकॉज इससे पहले मेरा आईज एंड नोज बना करके हुआ था, तो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो विथ लिप्स. आई मीन टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इस दिन मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी कि मैंने मेरे डेस्क से डायरेक्ट बेड पे शिफ्ट कर लिया without even thinking, and because of which I kept it very quick. मैंने इधर पे ज़्यादा rendering भी नहीं की है, and when I'm looking at this it looks very nice. थोड़ा सा mistake है, but I mean altogether it looks very nice, and being a beginner at freestyle, it is very good. And with that we are done with our 5th day.
The next day.
So now on to our 6th day. I was feeling very nice after this whole week, to be honest, and because मैंने जो कल lips and nose बनाए थे, I was not completely satisfied with it. So on this day I decided to give lips another shot, drawing lips another shot. तो I drew few outlines, guidelines you could say, and मैंने lips बनाना start किया. I guess I was feeling थोड़ा experimental, तो मैंने कुछ try किया है इधर पर with the brush pens and all. Overall, it is a very decent looking piece, not gonna lie. It is not the best, but kuch I was trying with mixing different shades to get that warm color. And we are almost towards the end of the video, and here's a question for you. I don't know how many of you guys have noticed this pen organizer of mine. It's a new purchase, by the way. I will link that in the description box for you guys. It is a really good one and it has that rotating thing as well. And also I was watching Gopali's video on this day. Finally my lip drawing is looking little better. And that was the end of our first week of 75 soft. That is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.